Kids Leap Island, unlocking every child's potential. Stay connected for your transformational children's stories and fun learning videos.
Hi guys, today we are going to discuss alternative words for beautiful.
Hi Lily, do you know other words to describe something beautiful? I need them to describe my baby sister. She is super cute.
Oh, Kiara, your sister is such a beauty. I'm not sure of other words for beauty right now. Can you tell me the ones you already know?
Well, I know words like pretty, charming, attractive, stunning, gorgeous, graceful, appealing, handsome, cute.
Wow, that's a lot. I like the word stunning. It's like when something's so beautiful, you're just stunned by it.
Yeah, it's like getting hit by a beauty blast. And gorgeous reminds me of something so perfect and flawless, just like my little sister.
I totally agree. Charming makes me think of something lovely and endearing, like an old storybook.
Oh, I love that! And handsome! It's like saying someone or something is strikingly good looking.
That's right, like a majestic lion or a cool vintage car. And cute! It's like saying something's adorable and sweet.
Exactly, like fluffy puppies or tiny kittens.
Oh yeah, the word attractive is cool too. It's like something has this magnetic pull drawing you closer.
Absolutely. It's like you can't help but be drawn in. Hey Lily, with all these words, we could describe anything and make it sound awesome.
I like that. Let's keep expanding our vocabulary of beauty words. Like I always say, it makes us sound more interesting. The more words we know, the more brilliant our conversations become. By the way, your little sister is gorgeous.